Thus far in 2025, I have only made $1,154.10 selling digital products on Clickbank. Okay, now why do I say only? I say that because that's a long way away from being able to hit Clickbank Platinum. All right. Now, for those of you who don't know, Clickbank Platinum is the status you attain as a Clickbank affiliate or seller once you've sold $250,000, right? Once you've made $250,000 in gross sales, right? So as far as hitting that number goes, I've actually made a little bit more, because what I'm showing you here, as far as like paychecks, that's what I actually get to put in my pocket net, right? As far as the gross sales go, I'd have to go take a look here at the dashboard. And let's see if we scroll down here in gross sales. So I've got 301 there and 992. Okay, so that number is actually a little bit higher. It's $1,293 in gross sales. Okay, and I believe that's the number. Someone please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but that is the number that actually matters when it comes to hitting Clickbank Platinum status, right? Like it's gross sales, $250,000 in gross sales, and it has to be done within a calendar year, right? So we've only got like 10 months and some change left in 2025 if we're gonna hit platinum status, right? Because we have to till basically December 31st in order to make those sales, right? But this is early stages. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday is the day that I have always mentioned, the day that I'll provide my weekly update as far as where we are with regards to hitting that platinum status, right? Because the Clickbank week starts on Wednesdays at midnight Pacific Standard Time. It goes all the way through the following Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. at Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so essentially I like to report on those days, so I've got like the full prior week under my belt. Now, it just so happens that 2025 started on the same day as the day that the Clickbank week starts, on a Wednesday. So we are exactly, I believe, 6 weeks in now, 6 weeks into this new year, leaving us 52 weeks out of the year. So that leaves us with about, what my math is right, 46 weeks left, I suppose, to hit that $250,000 in gross sales. All right, so little ways to go, right? Quite a little ways to go. Now, if you're interested in learning how to sell digital products, whether it's digital products that you create as your, whether it's you creating your own or selling other people's digital products as an affiliate, check out the first link in the description below this video. It will show you how to do exactly just that, especially with the right foundation, right? Setting yourself up for long-term success, okay? And Clickbank, for those of you who are not aware, is a platform. It's probably one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces for selling digital products. Okay, and I've always mentioned, if you're someone who's starting, who has a YouTube channel, right, one of the really good ways to monetize your channel before you actually get accepted into the YouTube partner program is to sell digital products, right? Clickbank has a wide variety of different products in different niches. Okay, so you can go to the Clickbank marketplace and find a product that actually that is in line with whatever niche or topic that your YouTube channel is about. Okay, and you can promote those, or you can create your own products, right? It doesn't have to be a product that's sold on Clickbank. You can create your own product and host it on a place like Stan Store. Okay, so if you'd like to learn how to do all of this stuff, check out that first link in the description below this video, as I mentioned. But here we're on this journey, right? Essentially trying to become Clickbank Platinum, trying to become a Clickbank Platinum affiliate in 2025. Obviously, if I continue at this rate, it's very unlikely that it's going to happen, right? Considering, right, what is this? $301 so far in February, and then $992 back in January, bring us to a total of $1,293. So I've still got about $248,707 $248,707 to go. in order to hit that platinum status, okay? Obviously, the way I'm laughing may make it seem like I don't actually believe that we can hit that target, but despite my laughter, it is something that that I actually believe we can do, okay? That actually can be done. And thus far, I mean, the way I'm looking to do it is essentially with organic traffic to start, right? And then build enough of a budget from organic traffic such that we can take that money and reinvest into paid traffic, which is how things happen really quickly. Like if you want to scale quickly when it comes to selling digital products or selling stuff online, period, right? You want to be able to pour gas on the fire, right? To grow exponentially, okay? But of course, you want to do this at a profit, right? You don't want to be spending money on ads and then make it, because you can very well become a Clickbank Platinum affiliate, right? Where you're spending, you've made $250,000 in gross sales, but you very well could have spent $300,000 in advertising dollars, right? So you still become a Clickbank Platinum affiliate, but you would have lost money, right? You would have lost $50,000, right? So the goal, obviously the aim is to do this where, if you're going to spend the money on ads, the aim is to do it in a way that you are actually profitable, right? So if you put $1 into advertising, you're able to get $2 back, right? If you can do that, how many dollars would you feed the machine, right? You would put as many dollars as possible. So that's the ultimate, that's the ultimate goal, okay? Now, if you're interested in learning exactly how it is that I generated those particular sales that I just showed you right now, let me know in the comment section below, and if you're interested, I will be sure to share that with you. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you actually want to know how exactly I generated those those sales that I've shared thus far. For those of you who have been around following, you'll know that I'm actually in the process of experimenting with a 28-day case study whereby we're looking to see how many sales we can generate organically with several different social media platforms, right? So that is something else that I have going on the side. But of course, that's all going to be in conjunction with the sales that I've showed you just now, because everything put together is what is going to contribute to trying to hit that $250,000 gross sales target. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Do subscribe, because in the upcoming days and as I produce more videos providing updates on that 28-day case study, I'll be showing you what the results are there and exactly what I'm doing to generate said results. Okay, so that one, for that stuff, you'll know exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. But if you're interested in learning how I generated the sales that I showed you just now, just let me know in the comments. If I get enough people who are interested in the comments, then I will go ahead and create another video going in detail explaining exactly how I did that. Those of you who've been following me for a while, you may have a pretty decent idea of how I did that. You may or may not know, but if you're someone who's brand new and you're curious to know how you're interested in knowing how this pretty simple method that I used to generate the sales that I just showed you, let me know in the comments, right? If I can get at least 10 comments, right? 10 comments wanting to know, wanting me to create another video explaining in detail how I did that, then I'll know there is enough interest, and I will create another video sharing exactly how I did that, okay? Because the reason I'm saying this is because a lot of times I'll create these videos and I'll do this stuff, and I may see views, people watch them, but there's not really that much in terms of interaction. So it just leads me to believe that, okay, maybe people don't really care about this stuff, which is fine, right? Obviously I want to create content that people actually want to see, stuff that people are actually interested in, right? But if there's not enough interest, then maybe I'm wasting not just my time, wasting other people's time, right? If they're not interested. So I need to know that there is some kind of interest. So like I said, if I can get at least 10 comments, right, wanting me to create another video showing exactly step by step in detail, essentially a free tutorial, free course, essentially. No matter how long it takes, even if it's an hour-long video, I'll create it and share it. Okay. And you'll see it's a pretty simple process. Not necessarily the best method to do this, which is why I haven't gone ahead and shared or created a video about it per se, right? I'm actually spending more time sharing this other stuff, which I believe is a better way, right? What I'm doing in the 28-day case study. So that one I'm sharing, as I'm going through the 28-day case study, I'll be sharing that on a daily, on a as consistent basis, daily as daily as I can on a regular basis, right? But anyway, that's that. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to, create your own digital products and sell them, or sell other people's digital products as an affiliate, and you would like to get access to some training that will show you how to do that just right, check out that first link in the description below, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.